last time I drove this, I had no gears at all. I think it's a drive shaft from self-diag. But let's try to move it real quick to see what we're working with. Driveshaft, nice and cool. I gotta jack this shit up. Traqueando. Alright, got this bitch in the air. We got Pete under here. Woohoo! Okay, first taking off the exhaust. Alright, we got the exhaust out from back of the headers. Oh yeah, that's fucking fucked up.
Is it? Did it rip?
Yeah.
It wasn't like that. I was fucking. Nah, that's all fucked up.
That's
all fucked up.
It's nasty. Let's do it like that. On that side.
Hold it.
Pause. We got the jack bar and an 18. Oh, fuck it up. Alright, we're in the rear of the car. I'm gonna see if this guy fucks up.
Fuck you.
Is that Allen set? Yeah. Alright, fucking 6 of those Allens. Brackets. Make sure you guys clean your bolts before you put it back in. Peter's Wheel Cleaner. It's perfect for this kind of job. Transfer the 3 bolts and new fucking joint.
Break that.
Easy. Start it and see if it spins it first. See what happens. Alright, we got a little audience. There we go. Dubai Dom here. Pete. We're back on the floor. Everything's back together there. Sauce back on, all the whole shit. Okay, we got her on the ground. I go for a test drive, yes sir. Thanks for the jump. Oh shit, testing it out already. Yo, it's still making the same fucking noise. Go ahead, go ahead. This shit is fucked up. No, this shit's fucked up. No, it's bad. Yeah, shit's still fucked. Got Lucas out here. Checking it out. She looking clean. Fuck, you hear that shit? It don't sound as clean as it looks. Hi, dude. We got mom and baby out here. Alright, we're gonna pull this transmission out. We got the twins too.